guys, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, in today's video, I want to share with you guys how we transform this absolutely gorgeous venue into a Paris-themed baby shower. So one of the first things that I knew we needed were the Eiffel Tower props. And you guys, I rented this one from my local rental company. It was 10 feet tall and absolutely perfect for the shower theme. We also opted to go with black, white, and pink. The black was in bling, and I just thought it added that perfect, touch of elegance. And the flower wall is from rosemorning.com. It is the Joan wall, and I will leave the link down in the description box below. Now you guys know we love a little design in our backdrops, so if you guys would love to learn more about how we design and decorate our events, definitely join us at Luxe Academy. I will leave the link down below to luxeacademy.podia.com. You guys definitely need to check it out. We have lots of upcoming classes as well as tons of online options. Now when it came to the actual tablescapes, I wanted to infuse the black and white stripes. That was just so, it just seemed so much like the Paris theme to me, and then the pop of pink. The napkin rings came from totallydazzled.com. You guys know how much we love them. These napkin rings are very, 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 very old. So you guys definitely check them out as well. And we created our own floral centerpieces for this particular layout as well. One of the things that I want to point out to you guys in the beginning of this video, you saw the Chiavari chairs, and they were like a dark wood color, and with the black they definitely blend in. So don't be afraid to kind of mix and match. I almost rented some silver ones. I brought my black ones, but I am so glad that I did not, because they definitely look black instead of that mahogany or cherry wood color that they actually are. So I just thought that looked gorgeous. And the black bling tablecloths, you guys know we've used these time and time again, and I just think they add that extra bit of elegance and sophistication and glam all in one. Another thing that we did to add to that elegance and sophistication is we added the floating pearls in the bottom of the vases or the floating centerpieces, and we mix and match the napkin rings. So every other table had a different design, and again, these are from totallydazzled.com, and I will leave that link down below. There are really no napkin rings quite like these, and I just absolutely love them. I've had them for years, and they are still very, very good. Now, in terms of the floral centerpieces, you guys, I created these the night before. It really didn't take a super long time to do it, but I think they turned out absolutely gorgeous. Hey, you are the In addition to the floral centerpieces, I also had some Eiffel Tower centerpieces. These were absolutely gorgeous, and I added the black and white striped ribbon along with the latex roses or foam roses on each side. I just think it added a little bit of oomph to the table, and I also used the opposite napkins on each table as well, and I just think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. Now you guys will see that the place setting is missing in the center of the table, and the reason why is because the chargers were hanging off, so I just opted not to use them there. They were just kind of some extra seating anyway, so that is why you see that there. And then also we had not placed the cutlery on the table at this point in the videography, so I just wanted to point that out as well, so just in case you guys are wondering what happened there. Next up is this gorgeous bookcase. You guys, it was already designed beautifully by the venue owners, but I asked for permission to change it up a bit in order to match the theme of my event. And so I just added in a few stuffed animals just to make it feel really, really babyish, and I placed a few Eiffel Towers and florals in there as well, and I left the remaining of their decor intact. Now, what is important is that if you decide to incorporate your decor into an already existing space, be sure to ask for permission before getting started. Okay, you guys, so here's what the venue looked like before, and here is what the venue looked like after. How about a little music for your listening pleasure so that I can give you a full tour of the absolutely gorgeous space.
One, yeah, that is true. Oh, I believe in you and me together, you and me always forever. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. Oh, I will give you everything, whatever. Turn my back on you, no, never. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. 'Cause you're my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. You are my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. Hey, you know I dream about you night and day. Hey, even if you are 100 miles away. Oh, I believe in you and me together, you and me always forever. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. Oh, I will give you everything, whatever. Turn my back on you, no, never. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. 'Cause you're my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. You are my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. 'Cause you're my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. You are my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are.
So there you have it, you guys. I am so in love with the way that this entire theme turned out. I was so proud of how we were able to utilize florals and different things that we had in inventory in order to create this very unique and different look. Most of all, the flowers just look so plush to me, and I am just super excited about the way that it turned out. And you know, one of my greatest pleasures in life is to create beautiful things, and next to that is to transform and change lives. And I would love the opportunity to do that through Lux Academy. I teach online, so you can live anywhere in the world and attend my online academy to become a certified event planner, designer, or decorator. Or you can attend in person. I have hands-on classes very often. So just check our website at luxacademy.podia.com, and I will leave that link down below as well so that you guys can get registered. Now, of course, we had to blend in the treats, and the cupcakes were absolutely amazing. I just thought they looked really beautiful, and I decided to put it in the window because in Paris, you know, they have a lot of pastry shops and bakery shops, and so I thought it would be just really cute to place that in the window. As everyone was walking in, they were able to see all of that beauty. So you guys, the balloon was done by my friend Trey. My apologies for the shaky camera. My hand was really shaky that day, but the balloons were done by him, and he did an absolutely, well, actually his mom, and they did an absolutely incredible job. So you guys, let me know down in the comments your favorite aspect of today's baby shower, Paris themed baby shower. Let me know your favorite aspect of the design down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!